the RSS drops a big hint on caste census, the Congress party meanwhile has launched a scathing attack at the RSS, asking that who exactly is the RSS to give permission to conduct caste census. Well, reactions that have been also coming in on part of how the Congress party and the opposition all together have been saying that if they come to power, caste census would be on top of the things in the list of works that they need to get it done on priority, but exercising caution on the same. The RSS has come out to say that as far as this issue is concerned, it's a sensitive one, and the only aim here should be when it comes to collecting the data, when it comes to conducting caste census, and it should not be used for political purposes. Let's in the meantime talk about how Congress's Jairam Ramesh has been reacting. The attack that is coming in from the Congress's side and asking who exactly is RSS as an organization to give permission to conduct a caste census. Let's put that out, what Jairam Ramesh has to say. जाति जनगणना को लेकर आरएसएस के उपदेशात्मक बातों से कुछ बुनियादी सवाल उठते हैं। उनका कहना है कि क्या आरएसएस के पास जाति जनगणना पर निषेधाधिकार है? जाति जनगणना के लिए इजाजत देने वाला आरएसएस कौन है? आरएसएस का क्या मतलब है कि जब वह कहता है कि चुनाव प्रचार के लिए जाति जनगणना का दुरुपयोग नहीं किया जाना चाहिए? क्या ये जज या अंपायर बनना चाहते हैं? आरएसएस ने दलितों, आदिवासियों और ओबीसी के लिए आरक्षण पर 50% की सीमा को हटाने के लिए संवैधानिक संशोधन की आवश्यकता पर रहस्यमयी चुप्पी क्यों साध रखी है? और ये पूछना है जयराम रमेश कि अब जब आरएसएस ने हरी झंडी दिखा दी है, तो तब क्या नॉन बायोलॉजिकल प्रधानमंत्री कांग्रेस की एक और गारंटी को हाईजैक करेंगे और जाति जनगणना करवाएंगे? Those are the questions that are now being raised on part of the Congress party. We have Mohit and Yamika both joining us live right now. Good morning to both of you. Mohit, help us understand as far as the RSS is concerned in the convention that has been taking place in Kerala. Emphasize the need to exercise caution, especially when it comes to conducting caste census. However, in a way suggesting that it is altogether not against carrying out such an exercise.
In fact, Amita, and perhaps for the first time, the RSS has come clear that they are not against the caste census, but they have given out a very balanced view. Now, if you see the statement that has coming from Akhil Bharat Prachar Pramukh of the RSS, Sunil Ambekar, he basically says that India is a vast country. In India, the whole issue of caste and religion is very sensitive when it comes to the Hindu society. Now, he also goes on to say that governments have to have the numbers when there are certain castes who are lacking behind, and the government has to bring in some welfare schemes for them. But this issue should not be politicized. This issue should not be used for electioneering. This issue should not be used for getting the votes. So that's a message that has come in from the RSS to the opposition parties. Because remember, before the elections of 2024 and now also in various state elections too, this issue has been raised by Rahul Gandhi, other Congress party leader, and the various opposition parties, specifically from RJD also, that caste census should take place so that people should know that how many castes in the country have the resources, what exactly is their population, and how exactly the resources within the country are distributed amongst them. But the RSS has clearly said one thing, that yes, if your government has to do something for the welfare of certain castes who are lacking behind, then they have to have numbers. Now for that, in a way they have suggested that caste census is a good thing, but this issue should not be used for electioneering or the political purposes. So that is a clear hint to the opposition parties who have been in every election they have been saying.
तिवारी जी हमारे साथ फोन लाइन पे जुड़ गए सर, गुड मॉर्निंग टू यू। कांग्रेस पार्टी काफी वोकल रही है सर कास्ट सेंसस की डिमांड करने में। सबसे आगे अगर ऑपोजिशन या विपक्षी दलों की बात करी जाए तो वहां पर राहुल गांधी है जो साथ में स्पीयर हेड करते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं, ये कहते हुए कि अगर वो पावर में आए और उनकी सरकार बनी तो कास्ट सेंसस कराया जाएगा। अब वही आरएसएस की प्रतिक्रिया को लेकर आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे सर? क्योंकि आरएसएस का कहना है कि कास्ट सेंसस होना चाहिए लेकिन उसे पॉलिटिसाइज नहीं करना चाहिए क्योंकि ये काफी संवेदनशील और सेंसिटिव इशू है।
देखिए, भाजपा इस समय बिल्कुल फिक्स में है। उसे ये नहीं मालूम कि वो अपनी हार के क्या क्या कारण गिनाए। उसमें कारण कास्ट सेंसस भी वो मानते हैं। यही भाजपा के साथ मात्र संगठन इसका आरएसएस है। जब बिहार के चुनाव चल रहे थे तो बगल के प्रांत झारखंड में जाके इसी समय जो मौजूदा आरएसएस के चीफ हैं, उन्होंने कहा था झारखंड में कि अब समय आ गया जब आरक्षण समाप्त करना चाहिए। मैं जानना चाहता हूँ ये यू टर्न क्यों ले रही है आरएसएस? वहां तो आप पूरे के पूरे आरक्षण को समाप्त कर रहे थे, यहाँ आप कह रहे हो कि कास्ट आधारित सेंसस होनी चाहिए। और राजनीति कौन कर रहा है? उस समय आप कर रहे थे कि आज राजनीति कर रहे हैं? तो ये राजनीति का विषय नहीं है, ये देश के पिछड़े, गरीब, दलित सभी को उनका हक दिलाने की लड़ाई हमारी है और ये कांग्रेस पार्टी लड़ रही थी, लड़ेगी और लड़ती रहेगी।
एक सोशो इकोनॉमिक कंडीशंस के बारे में बात करते हुए नजर आते हैं राहुल गांधी प्रमोद जी। और जहां तक अगर 50% कैप के बारे में बात की जाए, जो आरक्षण के बारे में भी कह रहे थे एससी, एसटीज और ओबीसी के लिए, उस पर भी सीधे तौर पे जयराम रमेश ये कहते हुए नजर आ रहे कि आखिरकार इस तरह से क्यों एक बदलाव देखा जा रहा है, जहां तक अगर आरएसएस के बयानों की तरफ से देखा जाए तो।
मैं तो बदलाव नहीं मानता, ये तो पूरी तरह यू टर्न मानता हूँ। और ये पूरी तरीके से जब इस चुनाव में अपेक्षित चुनाव परिणाम नहीं आया, रिजल्ट नहीं मिला इनको, तो इसलिए कर रहे हैं ये। और ये चाहे जो कर लेना, इनकी नीति दुरुस्त है, इनका बस चलता। अगर 400 आ जाते तो ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ही बदल देते, संविधान ही बदल देते, आरक्षण समाप्त कर देते, ऐसी आशंका थी।
जी धन्यवाद आपका सर हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। वेल, दैट has been as far as the Congress reaction is concerned, saying that this is a complete U-turn on part of the RSS as far as its take on caste census and on reservation is concerned. We have Nyamika with us right now. Nyamika, get us when it comes to the Congress perspective to it, because here when it comes to the allegations that have been leveled by Jairam Ramesh, he says that this is an attempt to hijack or to take credit for something that the Congress and the opposition has been pushing for.
Absolutely, as various voices are coming in from the part of the Congress party, and the Congress party is alleging that the RSS and the BJP are now trying to snatch away the credit which must be given to the Congress party, because it was Rahul Gandhi who had started this entire discussion upon caste census. He had spoken about it within the parliament itself, and that's the only reason why now it is RSS who is trying to understand the meaning of this demand which was being raised by the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi earlier, even before the general elections, as we have spoken to various Congress leaders regarding this entire matter. In fact, they have also said that RSS works on the ground. They knows that what is the demand of the people on the ground, and that's the only reason why now they are giving a green signal to this caste census. And that's why even we have also heard what the Congress General Secretary Jairam Ramesh has also said, that who is RSS to give permission to conduct caste census, and why they are maintaining a complete silence when it comes to the constitutional amendment regarding the 50% cap on the SC, ST and OBC reservation. For that reason, now they are saying that now the RSS has given a green signal, so now the BJP will try to snatch away the credit which must be given to the Congress party, because it was the Congress party's guarantee during the general elections that when they will come into power, when they will form a government at the center, they are surely going to do a caste census in this entire country.
So,
and that's what they are continuing.
Caste census is something, as far as the RSS's opinion, that is coming about, saying that this is a sensitive issue, extreme precaution that needs to be exercised, as far as only the means for conducting caste census should be when it comes to collecting data and to give benefit when it comes to those people who are left behind in the socio-economic background. But however, it should not be politicized. इसका राजनीतिकरण नहीं किया जाना चाहिए. Mohit, thank you very much. Nyamika, please to continue to be with us as we are getting other reactions as well. Shifting focus when it comes to the